Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Seema here, and today we are making a super useful mobile stand. If you like watching videos and want to watch your favorite shows on mobile, this can be really helpful because it's very handy and it's very portable, so you can carry it anywhere, and it's a recycle project as well. So you would have supplies at home. Here I'm using a kitchen roll which is a little wide, about 2 inches wide kitchen roll. You can use a toilet paper roll or any other roll that is available with you. I'll just cut away a piece of it. Now, it doesn't need to be exact measurements. I just wanted to give it a little bit of a size. It's about 3.5 inches here that I've taken. And what I will do is I'll measure an inch away from the bottom and make a mark. I'll draw a line there and it will be just about as wide as the scale that I have or the ruler that I'm using. Next, I will make a little dip about a quarter of an inch. As you can see, I've made a line, and then about another quarter of an inch gap, and then I take it to the top at a angle. I'm freehanding everything here, and once all the lines are drawn, I'm just going to cut on those lines using my exacto knife or the paper cutter that I have here. I'm sorry, I think I went off screen here while I was cutting because I had to be very precise. But I'm just doing a cut on the lines, and once I'm done cutting, I'll show you what I've done. I'm almost done cutting here, and I'm just going to show you what I did was I cut away the shape, and this is the shape that I have cut here. As you can see, this space will help hold the mobile inside, and that notch helps it to sit inside and stop it from falling forward and acts as a stopper, right? And the angle gives a little bit of tilt for it to stand. Now this is done, and you can just go ahead and cover the roll with the pattern paper and make it into a beautiful piece. This is one way of making a mobile. You can leave it like that if you want, or you can paint it or decorate it with in any way you want it. But this is the basic structure. The second method that I'm going to show you is by using a sheet of 12 inches by 4 inches pattern paper, where you will make your first score line at 3.5 inches, then at 6 inches, 6.5, and 7 inches, then 8 and 9 inches, and another at 9.5 and 11.5. So these are the score lines. Now the score line between the at 6.5 inches will be a mountain fold, whereas the 6 inches and 7 at 6 inches and 7 inches will be a valley fold. I'm just making two lines to the first score line, sorry, the second score line, half inches from both sides, which I'll go ahead and cut away. So we just need to go ahead and cut this piece and the opposite piece. Then we will start folding, and before I start folding, I will also make a slit on the 7-inch mark. Just next to the score line, I'll make a slit right next to it. I'm just keeping it not all the way through, just a slit. And then there's a mountain fold and two valley folds right next to it, and which I will go ahead and stick this half-inch fold that I have here. let it stick. Just are all mountain folds. Now for the end part, I'm just making all the folds precise, and then before I do the last fold, I just want to go ahead and put this slit through the end through the slit, and everything will fall into place automatically. Just pushing it through, and then that ½ inch mark that I had at 9.5 inches, that I'm going to stick to the bottom, and this ½ inch at the end, 11.5 inch mark, that score line will go to the opposite end, which is the first part, right, and sticks right there. And this makes another mobile stand for you, which you can again decorate with using pattern paper. I'll show you pictures at the end of this video, and I hope you liked it. It's a very quick project and can help you with if you like to watch shows or any other videos on your mobile. This really can be very helpful because it will make you give you a stand where you can sit and watch. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for such videos, for such DIY videos every week that I upload. And it would be a great thing if you join this community. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.